Hey, what's up guys? Crying over here, and today we got something really cool to show you guys. Um, yeah, finally got this here. Had to wait about a little over 2 months, but yeah. Vanish Fafnir. Actually, no. No, we still haven't even hit 2 months. Whoops. I mean, either way, I know I'm behind. Yeah. Okay, so let's just quickly get this out of the package. Here's the new driver, which I'm gonna start off with if it would like to, come out. Here we go. The new driver, which I'm actually excited about, Kick, is this little plate thingy, which has the same gimmick as Absorb and Nothing. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm excited about this one. Then we have the disc, which is tapered. This is what it looks like. Yes, very nice. Not much to say. It's just a disc. It's just a piece of metal with no gimmicks, so yeah. Anyways, the last piece of the Beyblade. Vanish Fafnir 3. Here's the 3 armor right here. And the gimmick here is that these things, there's no contact point on this Beyblade, which isn't rubber. And these little rubber pieces, which are actually thicker than I thought, tougher, than I thought. They actually push in like so. Yeah, it's really cool. And just gonna pop this out because gotta show you this. This is all rubber except for the dragon heads. Look at this. Look at what I can do. Fuck. Yeah, it's tough. Like, don't worry, it's really tough. So you don't have, still be careful of it, but you aren't gonna break it that easily. Anyways, I'm just gonna quickly assemble this Beyblade before I put the stickers on. This is, yeah, I think this is secured. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, never mind. Give me a moment. Now it is secure. Shit. There we go. Beautiful. Vanish Fafnir. All right, with that out of the way, let's do our stickers for this guy. Also, I realized I didn't do this, so I'm just gonna quickly show you the box. Yeah, I'm really excited about this release because Frida La Jolla is my favorite character on the show. So, yeah. Plus, it's a new Fafnir. And almost all the Fafnirs are really good because of their ability to spin steel. So, yeah. Anyways, back to the video. All right. And here we have Vanish Fafnir, all stickered up. Yeah, and I also realized I didn't show you what it looks like in high mode, so I'm gonna quickly do that. Yeah, there we go. I also realized that, yeah, the layer is kind of difficult to assemble on this Beyblade. So yeah, anyways, if this guy would, yep, bitch. There we go. Vanish Fafnir in high mode. I cannot stop playing with this. And yeah, just to show you how awkward this whole high mode thing looks in the side view. It's hilarious, honestly. Anyways, time to put you back to low mode because you look better that way. Why are you being a bitch? I'm putting the disc and driver down. Fuck. There we go, finally. This is actually a really tough bay to screw around with for high mode and low mode, so I recommend you just stick with one mode if you like it better for display purposes. Jeez. Okay, that's it. Done and dusted. There we go, back to low mode. Also, yeah, since most of you are probably curious about it, even though you've seen it plenty of times, here's the F gear, and here's Dynamite Belial. Now, I have no idea how this works, but actually, no, I do have an idea. I'm just not sure how this works. Okay, I see these 4 slots, and I'm pretty sure, oh wait, no, it's upside down, whoops. Piss. Give me a moment. Fuck, you look so slick. Look at this. This is actually super cool. Almost knocked the camera over. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And let's see if this works in high mode, because I'm really curious about that. I mean, I'm sure it will. Good to know that you aren't actually very secure on here. And yeah, here we go. And yes, it does work in high mode. Okay, yeah, probably should focus more. There we go. Does work in high mode. Hooray. Just gonna assemble it. High mode, Belial with F gear. Yeah. Am I gonna keep it this way though? Nope. I like low mode better. Just like most of the other people in this community, I bet. Yeah. Piss you. Come on. There we go. Alright, anyways, this is all for Vanish, Fafnir, and yeah, Belial kind of stole the show because Belial is a narcissist, and so is Belle. Yeah, here we go. Here are Fafnir and Belial. Thank you all for watching. This is Crying Over. Fuck me over.